Hello, guys, and welcome to Homeschool Projects with Us, where we will be doing various projects from paper mache, lap books, dioramas, science projects, cooking, and etc. We love to do unit studies and projects to go along with them. Whether you're a fellow homeschooler, public, or private, we hope you will come along on our adventures in learning with us. Here are a few projects we've made in the past. Most of the prints that we've used, we just Googled for free stuff and put it all together to make our masterpieces. Right here is a piñata, which poor guy, he got made a few years ago and he's starting to dilapidate now, but we made him out of the paper mache, and we really had fun with him. And then we were studying in New Mexico at the time, and then over here, of course, we did volcanoes. Thank you. So we put the slap book together. Now, mind you, all these projects, unfortunately, that I'm showing you, we won't be doing those in our videos because these are past things we've done. Hopefully, we'll do some great fun things, that'll be just as cool as these, and we had a lot of fun doing them. But yeah, all this stuff I did not pay for. I just found free stuff online and printed them out, and we put them all together. This is our Hawaii study that well, actually my daughter did a great job with this, but we're not artistic, and you can see that all we did was just use colorful paper behind our prints there. She did do some writing in this. Thank you. Yep. And last but not least, the ancient river valley civilizations. Go ahead and turn that for me. Thank you. But we've had a lot of fun with our unit studies and doing our lap books. I'm turning it to the back. So this was with actually with Time for Learning that we were learning about Egypt and Mesopotamia and all that. Our unit studies. Thank you. We can show you all about lap books and the fun that we've had with those. But yes, in the Hawaii, we did the unit study with little passports. We actually enjoyed that. New Mexico was the other one. Here's sorry about that, a nice billboard that she did. She was studying, this is with Time for Learning, and she did a beautiful job with that. I was really excited about it. So anyway, this is just a few projects that we have done, and hopefully you'll come along with our ventures and see what we can come up with. We'll be cooking as well, so this should be fun. Subscribe to the channel and see what we come up with. Thank you.